Hello everybody, welcome to Cam's Engineering. In previous video we have seen how to create surface and surface label, two methods how to create horizontal alignment, how to create our own horizontal alignment style and label, and so on. Today we will see three methods for widening, three methods for superelevation, how to add benchmark and GPS, how to create grids. It is useful for beginners, but it contains a lot of details. This is a new YouTube channel, and we will see all civil engineering software, especially for road construction. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's start from the last point. First, let's change the surface label color from our previous video. We have to use light color because it will disturb others. It's okay now, but you can choose your style. The other thing you have to know is you can hide and unhide tool space by simply clicking it. It is visible when your cursor close to it and hide when your cursor far from it, and it also works for Properties tool. Now let's see the first method, how to create widening. First, offset our alignment with our normal pavement width. Select the alignment or simply right-click and choose your alignment name. Right-click on Offset and select Add Widening. Select your first and end point, then enter your widening width. You can edit now your offset start station and station transition parameters. Mostly our transition type is linear. You can also change the offset start and end station by simple dragging. You can use this method for all curve stations, bus bays, and town sections. If you think it is time taking, you can also use our old beautiful friend Eagle Point. Delete it and let's go to the second method. Output our centerline northing and easting. It is simple and we will see it in output section. For now, just export only centerline data. Delete meter by replacing it in blank space. Open any Eagle file and draw a polyline. Convert it to alignment. Now you can draw offset from the designer given widening data F. Let's draw our right offset roughly to show you how it works. We can give 20 to meter transition length. As you have seen it is not continuous line, therefore we will join it by using polyline editing. Write P, that is polyline editing, and the multiple. Select all lines properly. Finally, copy the linked polyline and say goodbye our old friend. Paste it with the original coordinates. Convert it to offset alignment. I don't need alignment label and curves. It's over. Let's go to the third method. Mostly it is useful for designers. Create offset alignment as before. Don't make any change here, it is your offset alignment name. Open widening criteria and select a criteria file. You have to use your country road administration manual, but the file type is XML. I will use Civil 3D default. Select it as per your road condition, and we will see how to change for each curves. You can also specify widening manually and create offset profile here. As you have seen, it's Civil 3D automatically create widening for all curves. Select one offset and right-click on it and select Edit Offset Parameters. By chance, we have 11 curves both for right and left. You can't change anything here now because it is blocked. Double-click on lock and now it is automatically changed to our first method. Then you can change anything here now. You can change all curves with the same procedure. I think it is enough for today. Widening, I will come on it in detail with a short video. Now let's see superelevation. Select the alignment and go to superelevation and calculate edit superelevation. Calculate superelevation now. From the type list you can choose as per your road condition. I choose undivided crowned and center baseline. Toggle on symmetric roadway and give your normal lane width and slope. If you want to give shoulder superelevation, please see the video, but for my case I will use my subassembly, and as you have remembered, it contains shoulder superelevation, so I don't need it. Give your country road administration manual, but its file type is XML. I have used Civil 3D default. 2/3, that is 66.67% for tangent for tangent curve and 100% for spiral. Toggle on automatically resolve overlap. Our superelevation data automatically shown in tabular form. To edit our data, we have three methods. The first method is edited here because it is editable. The second method is export it to Excel file and edit. Go to your export file location and open it. You can edit it as per your given superelevation data from the designer. Import your edited file. The other thing, you can edit your data for each curve at different locations. The third method is time-taking, but if you want to know it, see the video. You can change the color here, but I will show my superelevation drawing in my profile band. We will see it in next video. You can change our data by simple dragging. I think it is enough for today's superelevation. I will come on it in detail with a short video. Let's see how to insert benchmark and GPS points and grid. First, we will make blocks. It is simple plus sign and make a block for it. Let's make another block. It is nothing, but I want to show you how to make blocks, and these colors are my country flag color. Let's come to the real work inside setting open point, then open description keysets, right click on Civil 3D, open edit keys. As you have seen, at Civil 3D have only three, which are station, manhole, and tree, so we will create new code for GPS, benchmark, and grid. Create new, give its name BM with asterisks for benchmark. Its point label style is description only. You can edit your font style. Again, you can create a new layer. Come to Style and create new. Civil 3D has default marker for benchmark, that is why we hadn't create a block for it. Find and select it. Its orientation must be view if you want to see it horizontally. Now create another code for GPS. Find and select our new GPS block. It is contains my country flag color. Create the last code. It is grid. Here you have to give large size, and you can change it if it is not enough. Again, you can create a new layer. Its point style is different from others. Create new. Come to Layout and delete Civil 3D Default and create your easting and northing. Give X and Y offsets. This is your surveyor benchmark and GPS file. Please see the arrangement. Come to Civil 3D and import our surveyor file with the exact point description. It is over all my GPS and benchmark points are imported. We can change the offset of GPS and color of our benchmark marker. Its color changed from yellow to blue, and you can again decrease the offset. Draw a point using multiple points. Its location is below the lowest point. Escape and select it. Go to Properties and change the last digit to 00. The point location is slightly changed. Now create array. It is simple, but its columns and rows spacing must be between 200 and 250. I prefer 100. See the array by changing the columns and rows number. It is enough. Escape and draw simple polyline boundary. Select points and polyline, then right-click and isolate objects. Explode the points and delete outside points, but it is difficult to select all points, but you can use map trim. Select the boundary. Select all points. Enter and toggle on Trim Outside and Delete. Now our outside points deleted, and again we will delete also the boundary. Convert AutoCAD points, select all points and enter. Now we have to give our new grid name 4-point description. And enter. Please don't release enter until finish. We have finished our grid, and please change the color. Finally, end isolation. It is good now. I think it is enough for today. In next video we will see how to create profile and our profile style, how to make profile band, how to create corridor and our own corridor style, and so on. This is a new YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you very much.